Good morning, children. So in the previous class, what we learned was we learned decimal representation of rational numbers. Okay. So decimal representation of rational numbers we learned. In the decimal expansion, what are the names we learned? Suppose 1.345 like that is there means here see decimal part, decimal point after what you call this one decimal part. In the decimal part the number of digits are finite. The number of digits are finite means what you call the decimal? Terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Did you understand now? If the number of digits in the decimal part are finite, the decimals are called terminating decimal. Suppose 2.345345. Like the 345 repeated so on. How can you write this one? 2.345 is repeated now, so you have to keep the bar. So what do you call this decimal, children? If the decimal part will be repeated so many times, there is no and that is called non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal or non-terminating recurring decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal or non-terminating recurring decimal. Did you understand what terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal? In the terminating decimal part will be finite. But in the non-terminating recurring decimal it is not infinite. So many times are there. So that is called non-terminating repeating decimal. And next, what is the next topic we learned children yesterday? Period and periodicity. What is called period? The set of digits repeated in non-terminating repeating decimal is called period. So here, what is the number of which numbers are repeated here? 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 will be repeated. So what is the period here? The set of digits is 345. What is the period? 345. And what is the periodicity? What is the periodicity? The number of digits in the period. The number of digits in the period of non-terminating repeating decimal is called periodicity. So the number of digits in period, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So what is the periodicity here? 3. Did you understand the period and periodicity? Period means the set of digits in the non-terminating repeating decimal. That is called period. Which one is repeating in the non-terminating repeating decimal? That is called period. And periodicity means number of digits in the period. In the period, how many digits? 3 digits are there. That is periodicity. Did you understand now? So we learned yesterday these. Okay. Now we are going to the examples, that is decimal representation of rational numbers. Now converting terminating decimal to rational form. See here. Example 9. Express each of the following decimals in the P by Q form. In the P by Q form. Here the P by Q form. It is P by Q form, that is rational form, you have to find it. Here decimals given, you should find in P by Q form. So first one is 0.35, second one minus 8.005, third one 2.104. So first one is 0.35. Here what is this one? decimal number. It is a decimal number. Why? Because here decimal point is there, so it is a decimal number. Now you should convert into P by Q form. That means rational form. How to convert, children? I already told. You have to remove the decimal point. Remove the decimal point. What is the number? 035. So on the left side of 0 there is no value. So you should do it right. So 35 by, after decimal part, how many digits are there, children? After decimal point, 1, 2. 2 digits. So in the denominator you should write 2 zeros and 1. Okay. In the decimal part, how many digits are there? You should write in the denominator the zeros and write 1. Okay, here 2 digits are there, so that's why I'm writing 2 zeros and 1. That is 100. So 35 by 100. Is it possible to convert into simplest form, children? Yes. Why? Because here units place is 5, here units place is 0. So both are divisible by 5 table. 5 sevens, 5 20s. So 7 by 20. Is it possible to convert into simplest form, children? No. So 7 by 20 is the answer. Okay, ma'am. Next. Second one, minus 8.005. Minus 8.005. Now you have to convert into decimal form. Sorry, rational form. How to convert? First you should remove the point right in the numerator. 8005. Here minus is at a minus by. In the decimal part, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So you should write in the denominator as 3 zeros and write 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay. Now it is possible to convert into simplest form, children? Yes. Why? Because here units place 5, here units place is 0. Both are divisible by 5. 5 ones 5. Okay. 1 is 3 is remaining. 5 6 30. 0. 5 ones 5. 5 2 stack 0 0. So 1601 by 200 minus z. Did you understand, ma'am? Can you do third one like that? .104. Now remove the decimal point and write the number as a numerator 2104 by. Here decimal part, how many digits? 3 digits. You should write 3 zeros 1. So both are divisible by which number? 5 or 2. Here units place is 4. Here units place is 0. So both are divisible by 2. 2 ones 2. Zeros 2 5 10. 2 twos 4. Again 2 5 10. 0 0. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 5 10. 2 twos 4. 1 is remaining. 2 6 12. 2 twos 4. 2 5 10. 0. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 twos 4. 1 is remaining. 2 6 12. 2 3 6. 2 1s. 2 twos 4. 2 5 10. So 263 by 125. Okay, ma'am? Is it possible? 3 table? 824. No, it's not possible. So up to here. Okay, Shina, did you understand, ma'am? Come on, write. Next example, see children. Example 10. Now, in the previous example, that is converting terminating decimal to rational form. Now, this example is converting non-terminating repeating decimal to rational form. Example 10. Express each of the following decimals in the rational form. in the rational form. First one 0.4 bar, second one 0.54 bar, third one 4.7 bar. Now I am telling the first term. You can do second and third. You can do homework. Okay, ma'am. What is the first term? 0.4 bar. Which decimal it is? It is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal. How you should convert into rational form, children? So let x equal to 0.4 bar. Let x equal to 0.4 bar. Okay. So x is equal to 0. Here 4 bar is there. 4 bar means, that means 4 is repeated so many times. So that's why I'm writing here 4, 4, 4, so on. Let the equation will be first equation. Okay. So first you have to take x is equal to 0.4 bar. And then x is equal to 0.4 bar means 4 is repeating so many times. That's why I'm writing 0.444 so on. And that equation will be first equation. Okay. Now, here the periodicity. Here the periodicity means what now? Now what I told now? The number of digits in the period. That means how many digits repeated? How many digits repeated here? One number only repeated. 4 only repeated now. So how many? Here the periodicity is 1. Here the periodicity is 1. So multiply first equation by only one periodicity. So you should take 1, 0, 1, 0 and 1. That means 10. So multiply first equation by 10 on both sides. On both sides. On both sides. Now multiple 10 into x, 10x, 10 into 0.444 so on. Okay, ma'am. Suppose here periodicity is 2 means, see the second sum, here the periodicity is 2. So you should take 2 zeros and 1. That means 100. You should multiple with 100. Like that you should find. Okay. Now 10 into x, 10x equal to 10 into 0.44 so on. So you should multiple with 10. The decimal point will move to right side of one digit. Why? Because here 1 0 only, no? So the decimal point move to the right side one digit. That means 4.44 so on. Okay, ma'am? Now this equation will be second equation. What is this equation? Second equation. Now subtract first equation from second equation. Subtract first equation from second equation. So what is the second equation here? 10x is equal to 4.44 so on. Okay. And first equation is x. X is equal to 0.44 so on. Subtract 10 minus x how much? 9x is equal to 0, 0.4 minus 0, 4, so on. So 9x is equal to 4.00 so on. So decimal point of all are zeros only. So you have to leave it. That is 9x is equal to 4 only. So 9x is equal to 4. Now x is equal to 4. Here 9 is multiplied by x. So you should transpose to right hand side. What will become? Divide 4 by 9. Therefore, x is equal to how much? 4 by 9. But you have to take x here. X is equal to 0.4 bar. So, therefore, 0.4 bar can be written as 4 by 9. It is in the rational form or not? P by Q form only now? Yes. Did you understand, ma? Shall I again tell? What is given? 0.4 bar. So let x is equal to 0.4 bar. X is equal to 4 bar means 4 will be repeated so many times. That's why I am taking 0.444 so on. That equation is first equation. And here the periodicity. What is that? How many digits are repeated here? Only one digit repeated. So periodicity is 1. So multiply here. Periodicity 1 means you should take 1 0. That means 10. Multiply first equation by 10 on both sides. So 10 into x, 10x is equal to 10 into 0.44 so on. So 10x is equal to, you should multiply with 10 now. So the decimal point will move to the right side of one digit. So 4.44 so on, that is equation 2. Now subtract first equation from second equation. Now subtract 10 minus x how much? 9x is equal to 4 minus 0, 4.00 so on. So 9x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 divided by 9. What is x we are taking here? 0.4 bar. 0.4 bar is equal to 4 by 9. Did you understand, ma'am? You can do second sum and third sum homework. Come on, do. Express the mixed recurring decimal. The mixed recurring decimal 15.732 bar in P by Q form. In P by Q form. So here express the mixed recurring decimal. Mixed recurring decimal means what, ma? Here the decimal point after 7 and 32 bar. 32 bar only repeated, but 7 is not repeated. So that's why it is called mixed recurring decimal. Okay. Same process. Let's x is equal to 15.732 bar. Okay. So x is equal to 15.7. Here which numbers are repeated? 32 is repeated. So you have to write 32, 32 so on. This equation will be first equation. Now here the periodicity. The periodicity is, what is the periodicity? How many digits are repeated here? 2 digits are repeated. So that is 2. Here the periodicity is 2. So multiply equation 1 by 100. Okay, here the periodicity is 2. So multiply equation 1 by 100 on both sides. On both sides. Now 100 into x, 100x is equal to 100 into 15.732 so on. So 100x is equal to, here 100 is multiplied with the decimal point here. Okay. So here 2 zeros are there. So the decimal point will move to 2 digits right side. That is 1573.232 so on. Okay, ma'am. So this equation will be second equation. Now subtract first equation from second equation. Subtract first equation from second equation. Subtract. What is the second equation? 100x is equal to 1573.232 so on. First equation, x is equal to 15.732 so on. Subtract 100 minus x how much? 99x is equal to 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0, 2 minus 7. Can you subtract 7 from 2? No. So you can take one borrow here. 12. 12 minus 7, 5. Point. Again you have to take one borrow here. 12 minus 5, 7. Here 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 5, 1. So what is the answer here? 99x is equal to 1557.500, so on is there. Okay, ma'am. So on I have to leave it. So 1557.500, so on is there. Now x is equal to 1557.500 by 99. 99. Here observe here decimal point after 3 digits are there. You should write 0. No problem, right side. Okay. Now here decimal point will come here. Again it is decimal number only. So you have to remove it decimal point. Then how you can do decimal? Remove the decimal point. Decimal point after how many digits? 2 digits are there. So you should multiple with 100 by 100, both numerator and denominator. Why? Because you should remove the decimal point. That's why. So x is equal to, so this one into 100. That means this decimal point move to here. So 1557.50 by 99 into 100. How much? 9900. Here see 0, 0 will be cancelled. Now what is the answer? 1575 by 990. Okay. If it is possible to convert into simplest form. Is it possible, ma'am? It is units place is 5, here 0. Yes, it is divisible by 5. 5 3 is 15, 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5, 2 is remaining, 5 5 is 25, 5 1 is 5, again 1 is 4 is remaining. 49, 5 9 is 45, 4 is remaining, 5 8 is 40. So what is the answer? 3115 by 198. Okay, ma'am? Come on, write. If you don't know how to convert into simplest form, you have to leave it like that. No problem. Next, today's homework is, in the example 10, I gave 2 sums and also exercise 1.3, first Roman, second Roman, you can do homework. Express each of the following decimals in the P by Q form and express each of the following decimals in the rational form. Here it is terminating decimals given in the first Roman, second Roman, non-terminating repeating decimals, these like. Okay, you can do the homework.